Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video tutorial. Dear ones, today we discuss about important topic related to bioinformatics. In this we study about bioinformatics software and tools like Galaxy, Autodox, BioJava, Emboss, Pattern, FasterQ. Today we discuss about important MCQs. Let's start. The first bioinformatics database was created by Richard Durbin, Dayhoff, Michael G. Jordan Person. The correct answer is Dayhoff. Dear students, in previous PPSC biology test, the examiner asked the first bioinformatics database was created by Dayhoff. Swiss protein sequence database began in 1985, 1986, 1987, 1988. The correct answer is 1987. An example of homology and similarity tool: Prospect, Emboss, Rasmol, Blast. The correct answer is Blast. Dear ones, Blast हम क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं? Basically, Blast is a basic local alignment search tool. Is a popularly used bioinformatical platform. The tool has been versions depending on the type of sequence, like nucleotide BLAST. नेक्स्ट, द टूल फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ मोटिव्स. मोटिव्स के लिए हम कौन सा यूज़ कर रहे हैं? कोपिया, पैटर्न हंटर, प्रोस्पेक्ट, ब्लास्ट. द करेक्ट आंसर इज कोपिया. These are the important MCQs, most important MCQs in your examination point of view. Next, first molecular biology server expert in the year. These MCQs are also examiner asked in the paper 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994. The correct answer is 1993. Deposition of complementary DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid into inert structure is DNA fingerprinting, DNA polymerase, DNA probes, DNA microbes. The correct answer is DNA microarrays. Next, human genome contains about 2 million base pair, 3 billion base pair, 4 billion base pair, 5 billion base pair. The correct answer is 3 billion base pair. The identification of drugs through genomic study: genomics, chemoinformatics, pharmacogenomics, and pharmacogenetics. The correct answer is pharmacogenomics. Analyzing or comparing entire genome of species are genomics, bioinformatics, proteomics, pharmacogenomics. The correct answer is genomics. In last we study the identification of drugs through genomic study. Then हमारे पास क्या है? pharmacogenomics. And if the analyzing or comparing entire genome of species, the correct answer is genomics. Characterizing molecular component is genomics, chemoinformatics, proteomics, bioinformatics. The correct answer is bioinformatics. If you are using a proteomics approach to find the cause of a muscle disorder, which of the following techniques might be used? Creating a genomic library, sequencing the gene responsible for the disorder, developing physical maps for genome clones, determining which environmental factor influence the expression of our gene for your gene of interest, and annotating the gene sequence. The correct answer is D. Determine करेंगे हम कि which environmental factors influence the expression of your gene of interest, annotating the gene sequence. Next, shoot gun. Cloning differs from the clone by clone method in which the following ways. The location of the clone being sequenced is non-relative. Second, genetic markers are used to identify clones in shotgun cloning. Computer software assembles the clones in the clone by clone method. The entire genome is in the clone by clone method, but not in shotgun sequencing. No genetic or physical maps of genome are needed to being shotgun cloning. The correct answer is E. No genetic or physical maps of the genome are needed to be shotgun cloning. In next video tutorial, we discuss in detail about cloning, tissue culture, and also the cloning methods. CpG, ELANT, and codon bias are tools used in eukaryotic genomes to identify open reading frames, ORF. As the complexity of an organism is increasing, all the following characteristics emerge except. The correct answer is D. Repetitive sequences are present. An increase in the number of chromosomes. Next, gene duplication has been found to be one of the major reasons for genome expression in eukaryotes. In general, what will be the selective advantage for gene duplication? If one gene copy is non-functional, अगर एक gene की copy जो है वो non-functional है, a backup is available. Larger genomes are more resistant to spontaneous mutations. Mutations mean changes. Duplicated genes will make more of the protein product. Gene duplication will lead to new species evolution. The correct answer is if one gene copy is non-functional, अगर एक gene copy non-functional है, a backup is available. Thank you for watching. Any question, any query you may ask in the section box. Dear ones, these are the most important repeated MCQs related to bioinformatics and biotechnology, biology paper. You must watch this video. Thank you so much.